Is somebody stealing your photos on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take them down off of Amazon with copyright infringement. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving you 3 extra tips on copyright infringement. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is log into Seller Central. So log into your Seller Central account. After you're logged in, you're simply going to open up a second tab and go to brandregistry.amazon.com, and you're going to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. Make sure you log in with the exact same login credentials that you use for Amazon Seller Central. This platform allows you to report fakes on Amazon. So you do need a trademark. This is just Amazon's policy. If you don't have a trademark, we can help you. Or if you already have a trademark, click enroll a brand and get that trademark. Once you're enrolled and everything's good, it's time to report a fake. Go to protect, report a violation. Next, you're going to find the fake listing. This listing is copying one of our clients' photos. Specifically, this photo is being copied. So you can see this image right here. They have such bad reviews, like it's a Chinese knockoff and it just is what it is. But you're gonna copy the ASIN, which is B as in boy, at the top, and then you're going to paste that in. Next, you're going to find that image. So it's just this image they're copying, and we're going to report it as copyright infringement. Next, there's only one option, copyrighted images. Make sure you select your brand name, and then you're gonna do link to copyrighted work. So this is the fake image again, and then this is one of our clients' websites. So you can see this is the second image on their website, and you can see it's obviously maybe they changed the brightness a little bit, but they copied the photo. So you're gonna link this and you're gonna put this right here. So this is ensure a link directly to the copyrighted work. So this is our work right here. You can also link directly the photo if you can get the URL of the photo, but I think Amazon can come here and literally see it's the second image. Next, you're going to provide information to Amazon. And Amazon already has a template here on exactly what to say, so we're literally gonna use it pretty much verbatim. Amazon says, the image in the product detail page of this is nearly identical to my original photograph on my website. Very simple, you're gonna use the same exact thing. So you're going to say the image in this product detail page of ASIN, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th image on this ASIN is nearly identical to the 2nd image on my website. Please remove the image from this ASIN. And then you're going to report that, and then it should get approved. If it's not approved, I'm going to be giving you 3 pro tips, and thank you for staying towards the end of the video. But what you're going to do, number 1, is you're going to go into monitor and submission history. You're going to monitor it. Sometimes Amazon takes a couple days. Sometimes they even take a week to approve or deny your infringement request. Once it's approved, it's going to get taken down. If it's not approved, that's when you look at the submission history and see if Amazon explained why it wasn't approved. There's also going to be an escalation button in the submission history where you can escalate it to Amazon and attach photos and say, hey, look, like it's obvious they took our photo, it's the same photo. So you can attach more information for Amazon in that area. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to do a test buy. So the same login that you use for this, you just go to Amazon, you click add to cart, and then you do a test buy. Next submission, what you do is you put the order ID in. So make sure that it was you purchase this product, wait for it to be delivered, go into your orders on Amazon, my orders, copy that order ID, and then you're going to put it in here and say, by the way, I actually did buy the product. It's definitely a fake, right? So that's tip number 2. And then tip number 3 is if it's still not accepted, check your email. So Amazon will email you on why it wasn't accepted, and they should give you specifications. Maybe you accidentally reported the wrong photo. Maybe you forgot part of the ASIN, right? So double check your email as well, and then you should get that copyright infringement removed. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you did like the video, please do drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to this channel because we're giving out a lot of great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with infringement, we're here. But not only that, we do full account management, where we'll manage your entire Amazon Seller Central account, help you increase your sales, remove fakes, and everything in between. Just contact EHP Consulting Group. Talk to you soon.